Hi, everybody. If you're viewing this, then you're in Module 4 and you're almost at the end of this class and finishing up. And I want you to finish well and strong. A lot of times when people reach this point in the class, they have forgotten to do discussion assignments, or perhaps even way back in Module 1, forgotten to do that project where you're going to make that T-chart and compare the behaviors and examples of behaviors of healthy versus unhealthy people. It is very important as you reach this point in the class that you stop and carefully go back through what you've done in the course. You can use that pacing guide to check off all your assignments so that you can see what you have left to do. Don't leave assignments undone, and particularly above all, do not forget to take your post tests. In Module 3, there are two post tests, one right after the puberty unit and one right after the unit on drugs and substance abuse. So please be sure you go back and you check and make sure that you have taken all post tests. I can't give you credit. You might have a 99% in class, and if you have missed a post test, I can't give you credit. I have to give you a 10% failing grade. Now, another thing about those discussion assignments, it's very important that you complete them because they are weighted. And what that means is that if I have to put a 0 in, you could have an 80% and it would take you down below a 60%, which is a failing grade. So please go back, do those assignments, get in touch with me, talk with me, communicate with me, and I promise that I will help you in every way that I can so that you can finish this course and get the credit. So you might be like this guy and you've got the end in sight. Just keep on going and let me know how I can help you.